We are about to spend 3.5 weeks in Mexico. It's our first time in the country and we have crammed in as many places as possible. We visit Aztec temples, go surfing, salsa dancing and watch lucha libre, with lots of good food and drinks along the way. We travel through South, West and Central Mexico, where we visit Puerto Escondido, Oaxaca, Sayulita, Guanajuato and Mexico City. We are traveling together with my little brother and his girlfriend who flew in from Chile. Here's our journey through Mexico. So the three of us will travel from Amsterdam, where we take a flight to Mexico City, and there we will pick up my brother's girlfriend who flew in from Chile. We have a couple of hours to kill at the airport in Mexico City before we take a flight to our final destination, Puerto Escondido. By this point, we have been up for over 24 hours, but the best way to beat a jet lag is to go with the new day rhythm. So we are heading out to the beach to watch the sunset and eat some delicious Peruvian food and make all the choices that will end up giving us a food poisoning. It is quite common to get some stomach issues while you're in Puerto Escondido, but we really tried our best by making all these bad decisions.
Chile, ceviche.
Puerto Escondido turned out to be very relaxed, mainly due to the fact that we all got food poisoning. But today, this very early morning, we are going whale watching. We pick up everyone and drive to the beach where our captain awaits us. It's a beautiful sunrise and the beach is packed with boats. And let me remind you that if you get seasick easily, you should really reconsider going on this boat tour because it is wild. Almost everyone got sick at one point. The captain's tip is to keep your gaze on the horizon. Unfortunately, we lost all the footage, but we got to see dolphins, sea turtles, and also 2 whales.
Wanneer heb jij ergens gegeten dat een kind in de bediening werkt en dat niet goed is? Huevos rancheros. Chilaquiles con huevos. Yeah, it's here. Wil je beide nog?
Huh?
He knows this is the move. He knows this is the move.
We would have loved to stay a little longer, but we are leaving the coast behind and travel up to the mountains where we find our next destination, Oaxaca. Bold colors, cute houses, and a wide selection of local cuisine. We spent a few days exploring the city, and it didn't take long to see why people fall in love with it.
Wil je me doen, Fred? Wow. Ziet er goed uit, hè? Zullen we even lekker soort pizza tomatensausje op? Amazing face. Yummy? Muchos yummies? Good morning.
Today we head out to the main square next to the market where we meet our walking tour guide. And this is a really nice way to get to know more about this city. We learned that much of Oaxaca was built from local green volcanic stone, which is why the whole city has this unique color and texture you don't really see anywhere else in Mexico. This church here is so iconic that couples plan their weddings here years in advance. It is much wanted because of the interior. It's dramatic with lots of gold and details. We end the day in the nearby bar Selva, which is listed as one of the best 50 bars in North America and uses a lot of local ingredients for their cocktails. And the interior design here is amazing. Today we wake up early to head out on a tour. First off is Arbol del Tule. The name Tule comes from ancient indigenous words tied to the wetlands that once surrounded this tree. And the tree of Thule is believed to be nearly 2,000 years old, with one of the largest tree trunks on Earth. Its trunk is so wide that it takes more than 30 people holding hands to wrap around it. What was also really fun is that the guide points out animals that you can see in the trunk. So you have to use your imagination a little bit.
Greatest tree in the world. 55 meters in a circle. For reference, people, 3.
Next up, we're going to Mitla, and Mitla was one of the most important religious cities of the Zapotec civilization. And the Zapotecs are one of the oldest continuous cultures in Mexico, with roots going back more than 2,500 years. They built entire cities like Monte Alban on mountaintops, long before the Spanish arrived. Unlike many ancient civilizations, Zapotec culture never fully disappeared. It still exists in Oaxaca today. Unlike other ancient cities in Mexico, Mitla became famous for its detailed geometric art. The walls of Mitla are covered in thousands of perfectly cut stone patterns, all made without mortar. Many of the paintings and symbols here were connected to Zapotec beliefs about life, death, and the underworld. Even after centuries, traces of the original colors and artwork can still be seen inside the ruins. The patterns you see here are so unique, you can find them nowhere else in Mexico. One of the last stops was a weaving workshop where everything is still dyed with natural colors. In Oaxaca, weaving is still done the traditional way, using natural dyes made from plants, minerals, and even insects. Nothing here is artificial. Every color in the textiles come from nature. The same way it has been done for generations. They make beautiful pieces here, and we wished to have more room in our suitcase. From Oaxaca, we take a flight to Sayulita. It's a lovely coastal surf town and it's very popular amongst expats, surfers, obviously, and there are a lot of American tourists here as well. And although it's quite busy because it's such a small town, the vibe is very relaxed and the people are very friendly. If you avoid the huge beach clubs, you will definitely have a very chill time here. We start off strong by going out tonight and having a salsa lesson and some cocktails, and we do a little bit of bar hopping, and the place is very much alive in the evening. It's nice how they dry the fruit here. It's fancy. Para ella. The other day we spent on the beach going surfing, watching other surfers and eating fish tacos. And you can just go to the main beach and rent a board there. Or if you want to take a lesson, you can just go into town, ask around, because there are very many options to take classes. And what they also do is take you out to other beaches where the breaks are easy. My brother and his girlfriend did a lesson and they said it was really, really cool. And they caught so many waves and it was their first time. There he goes. Sweet. That was a big one. We very much enjoyed our beach stay in Sayulita, but now it's time to move on to visit 3 huge cities. Next up is Guadalajara, then we go to Guanajuato, and we end our Mexico trip in Mexico City. If you have made it this far, thank you so much for watching. The second part of our trip will also be on our channel soon. We hope to see you there.